Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at this 2025 JAMB question. Alright, question 30. So the question is, find the value of t for which 1 all over 2 raised to the power of t minus 1 is equal to 64. We're given these options. Option A is minus 6, option B is minus 5, option C is minus 7, and then option D is minus 4. Again, the question is, find the value of t. So you are looking for the value of t for which 1 all over 2 raised to the power of t minus 1 is equal to what? 64. Alright, so let's put our solution here. So I have the equation that was given to me is 1 all over 2 raised to the power of t minus 1 equal to 64. So I'm to look for the value of this t. All right. So you should know from the negative index law of indices that x raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 all over what? X. This is an application of the negative index law of indices. So therefore, 2 raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 all over 2. Alright, so your 1 all over 2 can also be written as 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Alright, so this 1 all over 2 can also be written as 2 raised to the power of what? Minus 1. And I have, open bracket, t minus 1 there. Alright, I have t minus 1 equal to 64. Alright, so having done this, the next thing I'm going to do is to convert this 64 to an index number in such a way that it will have 2 as a base number. Alright, so this will be 2 raised to the power of minus 1 times t will give me minus t, minus 1 times minus 1 will give me plus 1, because minus times minus will give me plus. So minus 1 times minus 1 will give me plus 1 equal to. So what I'm going to do here is to convert this 64 to an index number in such a way that it will have 2 as the base number. Alright, so this is 64. Alright, so what can go? What's the smallest prime number that can divide 64? It is 2. 64 divided by 2 will give me 32. What can go again? 2 can go. 32 divided by 2 will give me 16. What can go again? 2 can go. 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. What can go again? 2 can go. 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. What can go again? 2 can go. 4 divided by 2 will give me 2. What can go again? 2 can go. 2 divided by 2 will give me 1. So 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2 do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 2 raised to the power of 6. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 64. So my 64 can be written as 2 raised to the power of what? 6 in index form. So having done this, you should know that these 2 can cancel out what? These 2. Alright, so what I now have left is minus t plus 1 is equal to what? 6. Minus t plus 1 is equal to 6. Alright, so let me clean off this. So what I have here is minus t plus 1 is equal to 6. So the next thing I'm going to do is to collect like terms. Alright, so when this plus 1 crosses to the other side of the equation, it will become minus 1. So this will be minus t is equal to 6. When this plus 1 crosses, it becomes minus 1. So that will be 6 minus 1. Alright, so this will be minus t is equal to 6 minus 1 will give us what? 5. Alright, so what we are looking for is the value of t and not minus t. So for me to remove this minus sign, I will have to divide both sides of the equation by minus 1. Alright, so I would divide both sides of the equation by minus 1. So this is divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1. Whatever I do to this side of the equation, I will also do to this side of the equation. So that this minus will cancel out this minus. T divided by 1 will give me what? T. Anything divided by 1 will be equal equal to that number. So t divided by 1 is t, equal to 5 divided by minus 1 will give me what? Minus 5. This is my answer. All right, so the correct answer to this 2025 JAMB question is option B, minus 5. All right, this is a very simple and a straightforward question. If you don't understand it, you can go over the video again and again until you understand every single step in the calculation. All right.